Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. So in this video we are going to run Alpha 1 Trader. It's a free worldwide binary option robot that you also can download completely free. Just use the link up here now and you can download this robot and get started to do the same I'm doing every single day also. But before you do that, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber yet, or if you have any question, put them below the video. Also, make sure you check out my Forex Signal group, okay? It's a Telegram and it's completely for free, okay? So I put a link below the video for that also. But now, let's start up Alpha 1 Trader and let's let it run for like 20-30 minutes and see how much money you can make in this video. And just like that, 25 minutes and we made $227. You can too, link below the video and you can download this robot complete for free today. So that, have an amazing day.